Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. I'm Marco, your millennial small business owner. Before anything else, salamat po sa lahat ng naka-appreciate ng first video natin. Very encouraging. For this video, we want to share you our team's daily drive. Simple lang. Gusto namin magpasaya sa bawat family table. Affordable at masarap na pagkain, homey vibes, at mga purpose-oriented na kasama sa work. And for our growth path, we want to be the heart of the community. What's our guiding principles? We want to share this verse with you. Let each of you look not only to his own interest, but also to the interests of others. Here at Escartins, gusto namin gumawa ng positive impact by serving others. Yun ang puso ng aming ginagawa. Quick update with a small improvement dito sa Alfresco and parking area natin. We're almost there. Like and share, baka sakaling mapansin ni algorithm. Bye!